so we're just gonna clean this up a little bit. I'm not going to record the whole thing, but you get the idea. Alright, so now that that's clean, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in here and spray out all the bolt holes. You gotta make sure you get it all out of there, because it's gonna want to build up down there in that spot. I'm just going to use this little rag here to go ahead and wipe down the surface. Make sure we got it nice and clean. If you're wondering what this is just a tub of towels from Harbor Freight, nothing fancy. As I don't have any brake cleaner available to, you know, do that. But it is working, look at all that. Get it nice and clean. And this is the first time I've opened the lube locker, and assuming that's that right there, we're gonna go ahead and get that ready to go. So as you know, the Yukon diff cover comes with Allen's. So we'll go ahead and get those out as well. Put all the washers on, line those up. Comes with a magnetic drain plug. just so this way, you know, we have a couple of them ready to go, so the gasket doesn't move around on us too much. I'm not the fastest person at any of this, but I mean, real time, real life experience. Here you go. This is how to change your diff cover and your fluid on a Dana 60 and a Power Stroke. Yeah, this might be a little bit of a challenge because this damn thing's pretty heavy. I will say that. So I'm gonna have to completely adjust my position to where I can probably do this easiest. So this is gonna go sideways. So it's gonna go like this. And then none of the kids are home or anything to come help me hold this. So let's see if how much of a pain in the ass this is gonna be to do it by yourself. So that goes like that. Bastard. Are you even gonna fit? Well, I guess with my wheel turned all the way, that tie rod. Alright guys, so welcome back. Now that we got all that bullshit taken care of, we got that leaf spring out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and start filling her up. And like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, but I ordered this slippery peat fluid pump for $1 gallon. All right. See if we can get this valvoline 890 open. And I'm guessing we find which ring fits there, which that one fits. But what I don't understand is, does this unscrew, stay? Ah, it unscrews, comes off like that, and then we got the red one on here like that, and then we gotta change it. Okay, so we got that assembled. Okay, we got that on there. So my guess is gonna be we loosen that. And then we get our pump. There we go. Put that bad boy in there. Like that. And we'll fill up our diff, guys. Love. Shit. I don't know what the heck's going on here, but it's not fitting, so I can tighten that. But guess we'll make every pump count. Let it come all the way back up each time. I don't know the other methods of doing this, guys, but I don't know what I paid for the slippery Pete, but I will say whatever I paid is worth it thus far. Makes this pretty easy. Get her nice and full. And you know, pretty much, guys, that's that. Diff fluid cover change, new fluid install. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.